In this video, we'll show how to escape HTML in Javadoc with pre and at literal tags. So I'm going to scroll all the way down in this video. In the previous video, we showed how to include HTML code inside the Javadoc comment, and this is what it looked like. However, now what we're looking at, what if you wanted these to actually look exactly the same in your documentation? What if you want to prevent the HTML parser from interpreting these as HTML code? So let's go ahead and do that using the pre tag. So the pre tag of HTML, so pre. And let's just say that I'm actually showing, now I'm just writing HTML saying example HTML code. So the documentation should actually follow up with some HTML code. And let's end the pre. So basically what the pre will do is it will wrap everything in a pre-formatted block. So monospace font with monospace font, preserving line breaks and spaces, but it does not auto escape HTML tags. So we'll still need to escape those using the inline literal tag. So like this, actually, I'll keep that as bold. I'm looking at here. So literal. And let's end it like that. And I'm going to copy this part here and I'll put it in here, but I will close it off. Okay, now this part as well. So we'll just wrap it with literal and put a space and then end it. So it will prevent the HTML parser from interpreting them as HTML code. And same thing. So I'm just going to copy that beginning part. And let's end it. And the same thing here. And one more. Let's save and regenerate our documentation using the Javadoc tool. And let's come back to our generated documentation, click on refresh. And now I'm going to scroll all the way down. And that's what we have. So basically the pre tags plus the literal tag, they show the actual code instead of trying to render it. So the use of the literal here, the literal tag, pretty much protects those Angular brackets from being misinterpreted as real HTML. Okay, so that pretty much completes the demo in this case as well. So because we've actually used pre-tags, I think the gap here is quite big. I could decrease it if if that. So it probably would look slightly better. Let's regenerate this. It just looks too much spaced out. So the space is a little bit better in this case. Yeah, you can play around with that. However, that's pretty much is what I wanted to show in this video, how we've escaped HTML in Javadoc using pre and literal tags. I hope this video was helpful to you and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.